thank you very much for letting me play for another half an hour. Thank you, seagulls. See, they let me play for another half an hour, you see. Because they know me, you see. I'm local. Seagulls, thank you for letting me play for another half an hour. Thank you. See, they know me, you see. Let's see how Mark have another half an hour. Thank you. I love you all. Yeah, let's get going now. Because seagulls. I'm going now, seagulls. I'm going now. Don't worry. Don't worry about it. I'm going. I'm going now, man. I'm going. Don't worry. I'm going now. You give me extra half an hour. Thank you very much for that. I love you, seagulls. I'm RSPB member. Yeah, I think you don't. I took him some bread. No, I'm going now because it's your bedtime. I know you want some peace and quiet. I'm going now. I'm going now. But thanks for giving me half an hour. Thanks very much for giving me half an hour. Thank you. I'm going now. Seagulls, thank you very much for giving me half an hour extra. Thank you. Means a lot to me. I took you some. I'll buy a little extra loaf of bread from the shop tomorrow. Well, I'm fucking skinned. So I'm going now, buddy. Thank you, seagulls. I love you. You know I love you. The seagulls give you extra half an hour. Yeah. I love you. You know I love you. Yeah. So let's get going now. Yeah. Yeah. It's time to get going now. I'm going now, man. I'm going now. Thank you, seagulls, for giving me extra half an hour. Because they know me, you see. Let's give me extra half an hour. It's time to get going now. See, I've got to respect the seagulls, man. Look, they've left me alone for half an hour. Let's give them another half an hour. Look, I can talk to the seagulls. I will chuck them some bread tomorrow, extra bread. Look, the seagulls know what I'm talking about. So, I'm going to get going now. Because seagulls like to go to bed at 8 o'clock at night. They like to, go on like to have a kip. 8 o'clock to 4 o'clock. They have 8 hours kip. Yeah, I'm going now, don't worry. See, are they around here going mad now? No. Because I'll give them a bit of respect. Yeah. Of course, give them a bit of respect. And they actually respect me as well. Oh. I can't just disturb their peace, can I? They give me extra half an hour. So fair play to them. They didn't run about me playing with music, did they? They said, let's give them an extra half an hour. So bless them. Yeah, they like the seagulls. I feed them some chips everywhere I go. Yeah, of course I will feed them some chips. Of course I will. Yeah. I'll always feed the seagulls wherever I go. Yeah. Got a soft spot for the seagulls. They're left on these roofs around here. It's industrial street. That's on the industrial streets. Right, it's their home. Right, it's their territory. They might have some offsprings to protect their territory. They've been good to me tonight. Seagulls been nice to me tonight. There they are. They are, guys. I'm going home now. Thank you. Thank you, seagulls. Thank you very much for letting me have another half an hour. Thank you, seagulls. Thank you. Good night. Oh, bless them. Yeah. They let me have half an hour. Yeah, they let me have half an hour. With a nest on the roof, don't they? Thank you very much, seagulls, for half an hour. Yeah, they give me half an hour. Good night. I love you all. I'll chuck you some bread out tomorrow. Up there, on that garden up there, brown bread. Yeah, you like brown bread. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you very much for giving me half an hour extra. Thank you. Yeah. Give me half an hour extra, didn't they, tonight? Bless them. Yeah. So getting because they know me, you see, I'm seaside. Yeah. Give seasideMARK extra half an hour to please music down Sanford Lane. Yeah. That's right, Billy. Yeah. If you go down there now playing music, they go fucking mental and they will attack you. I'm telling you, mate. Seagulls will actually attack you. They've got offsprings. You got to be same as me with the seaside. If I go to the sea, I respect the sea. You gotta have a little bit of respect for the sea. The tide coming in and going out. Yeah, you can't mess around with the sea, man. The sea will swallow you up. Yeah. Anyway, I'll see you later. Yeah.